A modern tropical house with open living spaces blending indoor and outdoor elements. A stunning tropical garden surrounding a sleek, minimalist home with large glass walls. An outdoor patio seamlessly connected to a contemporary living room, featuring lush greenery. A modern tropical villa with a swimming pool and lounge area and a vibrant garden. A modern tropical villa with a swimming pool and lounge area and a vibrant garden. A cozy reading nook that opens up to a garden, highlighting indoor-outdoor living. A stylish dining area with sliding glass doors leading to a tropical courtyard. A roof terrace garden featuring tropical plants and a panoramic view of the surroundings. An eco-friendly tropical home with solar panels and natural materials integrated into the design. A chic living room with a biophilic design, emphasizing natural light and plant life.